Hi, I'm Brian from MAHLE Service Solutions, and today we're going to take you through the unboxing and initial setup for the ArcticPRO ACX 2250. First, inspect the packaging for any damage that may have occurred during shipment. You want to look for dents or large perforations on the box. Second, check and make sure that the shock watch is still white. A white shock watch indicates that the package did not experience impact or a fall from shipment. If the package did by chance experience impact that could be damaging to the unit inside, the dot will turn red. If the package arrives with a shock watch is not white, please do not continue unboxing the unit and call customer support. Next, remove the staples from the outside of the packaging. Now that the staples have been removed, you're going to remove the carton. Now, remove the moisture barrier from the unit. Now that the carton and the moisture barrier have been removed, exposing the unit, you will want to unlock the cabinet with a flathead screwdriver. At the base of the front of the unit, raise the easy lift cabinet door. There are two zip ties at the base of the unit holding the shipping skid, one in the left front and one in the right back. Now that the zip ties have been removed, you will want to grab someone to assist you removing the unit from the skid. Carefully tilt the machine to the side while someone removes the insert on one side and repeat the process on the other side. Once the foam inserts have been safely removed, grab onto the unit's handles and gently roll the unit off the skid from the back. Before initial setup, make sure to remove both pieces of foam packing on the inside of the cabinet. The initial setup process is comprised of two main steps: configuration and internal cylinder fill. To start, you will need to select your language and then the time zone. Next, select the Wi-Fi network and enter the password. After you've entered the password, select Connect Now to connect to the Wi-Fi network. The signal strength and the Wi-Fi connection icon will appear in the upper right-hand corner. Now that the unit has connected to the internet, it will automatically search for software updates. The unit screen will automatically display download and installation progress for the latest software updates available for your unit. If new software is found, after the software is downloaded and installed, the unit will automatically take you back to the last screen you were in on the setup process. At this point, the unit has been updated, so you can hit Next. The unit will go through one more check to see if there are any new software available, and the screen will tell you that the unit has been successfully updated. Once that screen appears, you can click Next. The ACX 2250 will need to perform an initial verification prior to commissioning for use on a vehicle's AC system. This includes gas weight verification, an oil bottle weight verification, and a first bottle fill. Once the unit has passed the initial verification, you will work through a series of on-screen prompts to fill the internal storage tank. Select the amount desired to fill the internal tank. As part of the SAE standard, AC recovery, recycle, recharge machines are required to take a sample of refrigerant prior to recovery or bottle fill. The ACX 2250 has a separate coupler used for sampling 1234YF. Follow the screen prompts and only advance after requests have been performed. After refrigerant analysis is verified, you will remove the sample coupler from the source tank and park it on its home coupler. Follow the screen prompts, attach the machine's low-pressure blue hose to the external source tank and open the valve. Once secure, invert the source tank so that liquid refrigerant will be pulled into the unit. Expect initial bottle fill to take about 20 minutes. Once the procedure is complete, remove the low side blue service hose from the source tank and park it on its home coupler. Before performing any service with your new machine, please register the unit through the internal software. Congratulations, you're now ready to use your next generation ArcticPRO ACX. For more information, please contact us at the link below.